We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby.
My name's Tim Sigler. I'm the lead singer of the Mud Dogs, and I play acoustic guitar, and I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota.
What you doing to me?
I've been singing my whole life, as long as I can remember, and when I was 14 I got my first guitar. Been playing in bands ever since then.
We can go on together, suspicious minds. We can build on dreams on suspicious minds.
My favorite place to be in the entire world is on stage performing. And there's just an excitement that happens, the synergy between the crowd and the band. When the band's hitting on all cylinders and the crowd's just lighting up, you just can't beat that feeling. Whether it's playing a special request for a bride and groom or giving a shout out to a bachelor party at a bar, we love being on stage and having that energy that comes from the crowd fire right back at us, and we'll fire right back at them. There's nothing better than being on stage. It's where we want to be every single night.
Suspicious minds. We can't feel no dreams on suspicious minds.
I grew up watching acts on TV like Elvis and the Beatles, and remember thinking to myself that that's what I want to do. I want to be that guy with the guitar up on stage performing for all the people, making them smile and having a great night. Before every show, the band gets together backstage or in a green room, and we talk about how to make this particular night special for the people that hired us. Whether it's a bride and groom or a corporate party, we want to make this a night for everyone to remember.
We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out.
The Mud Dogs started in 1998, and we've been playing ever since then. We do about 200 shows a year. And we've done everything from large country festivals to the Minnesota State Fair with 20,000 people on the grandstand, down to your smallest intimate wedding venues or bar gigs, corporate shows, private parties, backyard events. We've done it all.
We're caught in the trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Baby, don't you know it? We're caught in the trap. I can't walk out because I love.
The Mud Dogs have a really big song list, more than 300 songs. And when people hire us for an event, we really encourage them to help pick and choose the song list to customize it for their event. That could be picking and choosing every song they want to hear, or maybe just shouting out requests throughout the night. But we want to definitely customize every show to the people that hire us. For weddings, if the bride and groom have a special song they want to hear for their first dance, we're always willing to learn a special request just for them. And for corporate parties, it goes the same. I remember there was one CEO for a company that loved AC/DC, so we learned a couple AC/DC songs just for them.
We're caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Baby, don't you know it? We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love.
If you're looking to throw a party with lots of energy and people on the dance floor all night long, then the Mud Dogs would love to play for you.
And I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby. Baby, don't you know? We're caught in a trap, and I can't walk out because I love you